Hello and welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about seeing the Bible as wisdom literature. Sometimes, the Bible can seem like a grand book full of mystical and fantastical stories that lure our interest. But upon reading it, we may find some stories that are easy to digest and others that are so difficult to comprehend that we want to rip our hair out. But what if it's because we're reading it wrong? It's easy to look at the Bible chronologically from creation to slavery in Egypt and onwards. But by viewing the Bible book by book, we're left in a predicament as to where we fit in the Bible today. Rather than viewing the Bible in this way, the scriptures should be viewed as being organized by the type of book it is. Through this method, we're able to understand how the books connect with one another into one cohesive message in what God desires to convey to us today. In looking at the book of Psalms, for example, it is one of the longest books contained in the Bible, with David being one of the main writers for it, often denoting the psalm to be played as a tune or a song. Although it contains much praise to God and His work, there are many contents in Psalms that speak of history and prophecies, not only seen at the time of the Old Testament, but the first and second coming as well. Furthermore, in the book of Proverbs, as written by Solomon, much wisdom and food for thought are given that again not only contain moral teachings, but also contents of history and prophecy that connect to other books in the Bible. We can see that even kings didn't just engage in conquering nations and maintaining a kingdom, as we may have read in other books in the Old Testament, but they also wrote meaningful literature seen in the Bible. As these words are full of wisdom, we today should take into consideration the importance of knowing God's instructions and containing it within our hearts. From today's lesson, we're able to see that the Bible is really one cohesive message of God's wisdom that we must know and perceive deeply. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you again next time as we continue on this journey of understanding the Bible.
Hey, mortal friends! Thanks for visiting us at EZBible. Don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button. God bless. Jesus.